Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Do you want to have this kind of exciting live wallpaper on your Windows 10 PC? If yes, then why you are waiting? Please click on the subscribe button on my channel and please go ahead. Let's start. Now my friend, welcome to my laptop screen. Now this is loaded with Windows 10 operating system. First you have to open Google. You have to search for this Rocket Installer. Now let's open it. Once you open, you will get this kind of screen, and now you have to click on this download. My friend, this particular software is fully non-vulnerable, or this is not harmful because this is available in Microsoft also. Click on this installer. You must have Windows 10 operating system with this version 1903, and these are the all pre-requirement that you must have. Now this particular software has been downloaded successfully. Now let's open it. This is going to be installed now. I am clicking on this install for all users. Now my friend, click on OK. Now I accept and then click on next. Just going forward to install this. Click on next, install. Now this software has been installed and finished. This is the software has been installed. Now this is the welcome screen is coming. Now you have to click on next. Click on next again. Click on next again. Now it's completed. Now you can see as it is telling us Lively is minimized to system tray. Right click on that system tray icon and continue. So let's start. Now my friend, see this is one Lively wallpaper. Right click on it and then now click on this open Lively. Now friend, now see these are all live wallpaper, beautiful wallpaper. Say for example, let's start with this. Just I have clicked on this and now see how it is going to be. Wow! See my friend, I'll not say anything. You just look at the wallpaper now. This is nice, right? But not only that, you can customize it also. You might be wondering how you can customize it, right? Yes, you can. Just you have to right click on this Lively wallpaper and then click on this customize wallpaper. See, here you can change the saturation. Say for example, if I decrease the saturation, see it how it is looking. I have increased hue. Wow, it is now seems like it is moonlight. Wow, see. So in this way, you can change or everything here. Not only that, my friend, you can change the speed also. Look at this. I have increased the speed. Oh my God, it's like it is strobing now. Well, now obviously if you increase the speed, then it will take much battery of your, the power consumption will be high. So obviously I will not go for that. So let it be like this. Now if you want to change or if you want to give some different wallpaper, then no worry. Again right click on this and then click on this open Lively and say for example, I am clicking on this and see my friend, this is the thumbnail. See my friend how it is looking like. Well my friend, I hope you have enjoyed. If you enjoyed, please click on the subscribe button to boost me and to deliver such beautiful topics to all of you. So please click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Share this video as much as you can and enjoy. Goodbye.